mes étudiants 8th standard. Okay, so far we have finished lesson 5, 6, 7 and now we are in lesson 8. So for your half yearly we will have 5, 6, 7 and 8 for half yearly portion. So let's get into this lesson. Lesson 8, les photos de manuel. So in this lesson we are going to start seeing some photos. So let's recognize the photos first. So here a boy is leaving the house with a bag, so he's hugging the dog. Here a woman is cooking something and she's preparing. And in this photo there is an old lady with 2 young kids. And see, one of the boys is doing an activity, that is doing a fishing. And B, in this photo people are outside. I think they are sending someone back. Okay, so this dialogue is a different one, so I'll teach you this, but the translation part you try it first. So that will be your first homework today. Manuel aime prendre des photos, regarde ces photos et fait correspondant chaque photo au commerçant du manuel. So definitely this lesson I will not ask for your half yearly. Okay, that is lesson translation. So this lesson translation cannot be translated. Why? Because cette femme, these are photos. Okay, without these photos, if I give you the questions, you will not be able to solve it. So there will be some difference in the quarterly, I mean half yearly question paper. So when I come for revision part, I will explain you that. So if you want, you can translate and you can practice translation. Okay. Cette femme est ma tante et ses filles sont mes cousins. C'est le printemps et il fait beau. See, I think this is photo number D. Okay, so mark it D, first one, because cette femme est ma tante et ses filles sont mes cousins. So 2 filles are there and tante. So D. C'est mon ami Anish avec son chien Kalou. Il est très mignon et il aime jouer. So ami Anish et son chien. So where is the chien? So E. So second one is this picture. So we have to just relate it. Okay, nothing else. Cette année pour le jour de l'an, je rends visite à mes grands-parents. Ils ont une belle maison dans la campagne. So grands-parents dans la campagne. So B. Cet homme sur le lac, c'est mon oncle Paul. Il adore aller à la pêche. Il est fonctionnaire. So pêche is nothing but fishing. So this is C. Last one which is left out is c'est la fête de roi. Ma mère prépare un bon galette. Okay, A. So we are done with this. Now let's move on to the next page. Yeah, so in this lesson I'm going to give you few homework. So before that homework I will explain you what are the things which you have to learn. Okay, so I'm going to teach you les fêtes français. I'll just explain you, there are pictures. I'll just explain you what it is and how do they celebrate these festivals. And in this class we are going to learn this adjective demonstrative. Okay, so 2 things, one is fête and one is adjective demonstrative. And when you are free you can learn this qui est ce. So all the professions are here, so that you can learn on your own. And in today's class we are going to see exercise number 1 alone. Okay, adjective demonstrative I'll teach you, and your homework mark it. So exercise number 1, online test. Okay, online test, put OT, online test. And exercise number 2 will be your homework, because this also I am going to teach you today, but I will not show you the answers. This will be your homework. Exercise number 3 we will see later. Now go to exercise number 7. Exercise number 4 also you will take it as a homework. Okay, this also we will cover in the today's portion. Exercise number 3, 4. Sorry, am I wrong? Yes. Exercise number 2, 4 exercise number 2, 4 and exercise number 7 will be your homework. Easy homework. I'll tell you what it is. I will discuss on the homework part when I complete the video. Fine. Okay, now let's go to the festival part. Okay, so nothing to just elaborately, I'll just say, okay, and then nothing to explain. Very simple. On this particular day, they will celebrate this event. That is it. On célèbre beaucoup de fêtes en France. So, voici quelques fêtes françaises. So, here are few festivals which they are mentioning to us, which they celebrate in France. So, first one is le 1er janvier, le jour de l'an ou la Saint-Sylvestre. C'est le moment des éternes. On souhaite une bonne année à nos amis. So it's a New Year time. So 1st January, or it's a Saint Day, Sylvester Saint's Day. Okay. So that's the day where we wish our friends Happy New Year, right? So that is the one of the fêtes which they celebrate in France. And 6 janvier, so 6th January, c'est la fête des rois. Nous préparons une galette. C'est une sorte de gâteau. So this is a type of cake. Okay. So this festival, which is celebrated on 6th January, it is called as La Fête des Rois, the Festival of Kings. So, okay. So that is 6th Jan. Février ou Mars, Mardi Gras. So exactly we cannot tell the date, but it is called as Mardi Gras. Ces fêtes s'appellent aussi le Carnaval. C'est une fête très joyeuse. Il y a des ball music. Ball mask. Okay, so this is a very excellent or colorful fête, we can say. This is called as Mardi Gras. People will with a lot of decorations and fantasy things, they will come up with this Mardi Gras festival and they will celebrate it together. And it is also called as Carnival. Okay, so this is celebrated at the month of February or March. And the next fête is Mars ou Avril and Dimanche. So c'est la grande fête Pâques will say. So that is Easter. Okay. So on offre aux enfants des œufs en chocolat. So they will give a chocolate egg to the children. So this is called as Pâques. Okay. Easter. Le 14 juillet, c'est la fête nationale. Cette fête commémore le commencement de la Révolution française. Il y a des feux d'artifice et des bols dans les rues. So 14th July, it is the French National Day. It represents the French Revolution, and they celebrate this with the fireworks and the streets with lot of decoration. So this is Tour Eiffel, symbol of France. Okay, so that is one day, 14th July. Next, the day which they celebrate is Christmas. So this is World Common Festive. So you might be knowing this. 25 décembre, c'est la fête de la famille. C'est les catholiques vont à la messe de minuit. Et le grand repas de Noël s'appelle le réveillon. On souhaite une joyeuse Noël à ses amis. So it's nothing but they celebrate 25th December as the birth of Christ, and at the midnight, people, Catholic Church, they will go to the church and they will take the mass, and then they will come back home and they will celebrate. So that is 25th December. And the 1er November, La Toussaint, that is the All Souls Day, just be celebrated this month. So nous prions pour les morts. So for the death of people who passed away, we will pray each year. That is La Toussaint. All Saints Day, it is called as in English. So now your homework. So just I taught you what are the days which they celebrate. So here they will mention le 25 décembre, c'est. So 25th December, what day it is? Say le Christmas. Okay, so say le Noël. That you have to write here. On prépare la galette pendant la fête des rois. So like this you have to complete this exercise number 2. And exercise number 4 also. Pâques, Noël, Toussaint, Notre Dame, Mardi Gras. So if you see the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Notre Dame is not a festival, it is a church. So you have to find the hard one out. And the seventh one, c'est quand la fête nationale en France, en janvier ou en juillet. So that means national day for France, either it is janvier or July. So which one? We have to choose the right one. It is July. So like that, each one you have to choose. So all the three exercises is a repetitive exercise in a different format. So you have to solve all these three. Fine. Now, okay, now this one is over. Now we are going for the today's portion. So one important portion which we are going to write online test. Okay. So homework part I just said 2, 4 and 7. Now today's online test we are going to prepare. That is exercise number 1. List adjective demonstrative adjectives. Okay. So what is this demonstrative adjective? Imagine you have a pen with your pen in your hand, on your hand, and you want to sell it. How will you sell it? You will say this pen is a wonderful pen, this is a brand new pen, this is a costly pen, and this writes very smoothly, and this pen has a great fan following for its perfection, and it's a very new pen to the market. So you'll keep on explaining, right? In the same way, adjective demonstrative means this or that. Okay, for this or that, in French it has only one word. So if it is near to you, it seems to be this. If it is little far from you, you will point that particular object and you will say that. So the meaning is this or that. So as you have been learning for French for last 2 years, you know French has masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, feminine plural, all these things. I'll make it simple for you. Okay, this is for masculine, sir. Set, masculine singular, vowel. Feminine, C-E-T-T-E, set, and plural, C-E-S, say. Now the demonstrative adjectives are sir, set, say. So the adjective demonstrative must be repeated before each noun. So whenever it is masculine, sir leave, et sir cahier, cette robe et cette jupe. So to make, okay, let's continue. Masculine singular, sir, masculine, C-E-T vowel, C-E-T-T feminine, and C-S is plural. Fine. So this is over. Now example, sir livre. Livre is masculine, so we have to write C-E. This means this book or that book. Ce garçon means this boy or that boy. Cet avion, this plane or that plane. Cet homme, this man or that man. Cette robe, this dress or that dress. Cette étudiante, this student or that student. Ces robes, these dresses. Ces livres, these books. Ces hommes, these men. Ces étudiants, these students. Fine. So these are the things which you have to keep in mind. Now we will go back to the exercise. Now, il choisit dash cravate, pas dash chapeau. First thing, the title we have to see, adjective demonstrative. So write in your pencil here as CE, CETTE, CET, CES. That is masculine, feminine, vowel and plural. Then now secondly, first we should know either cravat is masculine or feminine. I think it is feminine. Okay, so il choisit cette cravate, CETTE, pas ce chapeau, CECHAPEAU. Then now nous ne mangeons pas à dash, nous allons à dash. See, hotel is a vowel, right? So CET, and restaurant is masculine, CE. So second one is over. Il n'achète pas ses crayons, because here it is S, so plural, CES. Il achète ce stylo, CE. Tu n'aimes pas cet acteur, because actor starts with a vowel. Tu aimes cette actrice, even though it is vowel, we should add CETTE because it is a feminine. Je veux cet imperméable, okay, et c'est gants, CES. Okay, now I'll show you the answers, kindly check it. Okay, here's the answer for the first exercise. I'll just read it once. You have to take it once I finish reading, okay. Il choisit cette cravate, pas ce chapeau. Nous ne mangeons pas cet hôtel. À cet hôtel, nous allons à ce restaurant. Il n'achète pas ses crayons, il achète ce stylo. Tu n'aimes pas cet acteur, mais tu n'aimes cette actrice. Je veux cet imperméable et ses gants. So impermeable, CET, because it is a vowel, okay. And impermeable is a masculine word, okay. So just kindly take it down. Okay, those are finished. Just listen. Those who are continuing, please pause the video and you can write. See, this is a answer key which I have prepared for you for this half-yearly exam. So lesson 8 standard French answer key half-yearly, okay, 2020. So lesson 5, 6, 7, 8 will be a portion. 5 and 6 already I have given you in the midterm answer key. So this answers key remaining exercise from lesson 6, okay, and lesson 7 and lesson 8 answers are available here. That means lesson 7 and 8 full answers are available here. So this answer key you will receive it shortly. So why I am telling this is you might have few doubts. So once I complete the lesson 8 fully, I will start the revision from this answer key. So kindly ensure that you get this answer key when you submit your classwork for correction. If there might be in the first week of December, you might get this. So kindly check that you get this answer key. If not, you borrow it from some of your friends and you have it for the preparation of your half-yearly exam, okay. So lesson 8 exercise number 1 I have completed. So there is another exercise based on this in your old book. So from that old book also I have taken one exercise for your online test. The same exercise, nothing but the different one. Corriger les faux, adjective demonstrative. There is one more exercise. That exercise I have taken it from your old book. So just to check how many of you are getting well or understanding this concept. Fine. So here are the other answers for the exercise. So one by one we will see. So in the next class we will be seeing this conjugation and the other things, okay. So let's go slowly, we have enough time. Fine, as of today's portion we have completed. So I repeat, exercise number 1 will be your online test, 2 will be your homework, and exercise number 3 we will see in the next class. Exercise number 4 is your homework. Please ignore or omit exercise number 5, okay. This you do on your own, and exercise number 6 you do on your own, okay. So that I will not ask for the exam. So these are picture based images, so you do it on your own. So no need to write this in your classwork also, okay. 5 and 6 omit it. Exercise number 7 will be your today's homework, okay. So the next class we will see exercise number 3, 8, 9, 10 and 11.